Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the Python random module. So this video is going to be very informative about Python's random module. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced programmer, this module is essential for adding randomness to your project. Today we'll cover its origin, purpose, application in data analysis, when to use it, and what's its benefit. But before that, let's get some basic information about this random module and how to import this module. So the Python random module is a built-in module for generating random integers in Python. These numbers occur randomly and does not follow any rule or instruction. Thus, we can use this module to generate random numbers or to display a random item from a list or a string and so on. So the first question that should come to your mind is that how we can import this random module. So to import this random modules, you will simply have to write import random and that's it. With this import statement, your random module is imported on your session. And you can use this random module to generate a random integer, float, or a random range between a specific given number. So if we talk about the origin of the random module, then the random module has been a part of Python since version 1 and it was released in January 1994. It was developed by the Python's creator along with the core contributors of the language. The inspiration for adding this module was to provide an easy to use tool for generating pseudo-random numbers which are widely used in various applications like simulation, gaming, cryptography, and many more. So if we talk about the purpose of this random module, then the randomness is a core requirement in computer programming, especially in areas such as simulating the real world scenarios, creating random test or experiment, generating unique identifier or passwords. So Python's random module provides the pseudo-random number generator, which use mathematical algorithms to produce sequences that appear random. Now, if we talk from the analytics perspective that how does data analyst use this random module? So for data analyst, the random module is a powerful tool for various tasks such as data sampling, synthetic data generation, and shuffling the data or random simulation. So if we specifically talk about data sampling, then we have a function in random module which is random.sample, or we have another function which is random.choice, which we are going to discuss in our future coming videos in the next 2 or 3 videos. So this random.sample or random.choice function is used to pick random samples from the data set, which is specifically used in A/B testing or cross validation. Now if we talk about the synthetic data generation, to simulate dataset when real data is unavailable, we as an analyst use a function which is random dot random int or random.uniform to generate numeric or categorical variables. Now if we talk about shuffling of the data, then we have a function which is random.shuffle, and this method helps to reorder a dataset, which is crucial for eliminating the biasness during training or testing of our machine learning models. Now if we talk about the random simulations, then we as a data analyst often use Monte Carlo simulation, which requires generating random numbers repeatedly to model the probability of different outcome. Now if we talk about when should a data analyst use the random module, so a data analyst uses the random module when randomness or sampling is necessary, such as when you're preparing data subsets for testing hypothesis, or you're creating synthetic data for testing algorithms, or if you are simulating scenarios to understand the variability or uncertainty, then you can use this module. In the last, let's discuss about the benefit of this random module. So the first benefit of using random module is that it's easy to use. This module is beginner friendly with simple and intuitive functions, so it's very easy to use. Then the second benefit is the flexibility. This module supports multiple type of random number generation such as integer, float, or even sequences. So it's very easy for us to generate numbers, either it would be integer, float, or sequence. So in nutshell, the random module is an invaluable tool in Python for generating pseudo-random data. It's easy to use and its wide range of application make it a go-to choice for both developers and data analysts like us. So next time when you're working on some simulation, sampling or data preparation, give this random module a try. It's versatile and it's very powerful. Happy learning and see you in the next video.